So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Twitter/X header in PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on press on Tools, then press on Crop. That's located in the top left. Now, if you want to change this picture into the same dimensions or the aspect ratio of a Twitter header or an X header, simply just swipe this bottom bar all the way over to the right. And the furthest option, the second furthest option is the header. So it shows the X icon where it says header. Simply just go ahead and press on that. And what that does is it actually changes the crop or the aspect ratio into what you would be seeing on Twitter or X. So if you wanted to go ahead and keep this as your Twitter background or your Twitter header, simply just go to the top right and press on apply. And there you go. That is how you guys can create a Twitter/X header here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.